The train station you're likely looking for is the old Riyak Train Station in Baalbek, Lebanon. It is located in the town of Riyak, near Baalbek in Lebanon's Bekaa Governorate, not Rial. It's a significant historical landmark and a beautiful example of vintage railway architecture, though it has been disused since 1976. About the station. History. Built by the French established Société de Chemins de Fer Ottomans Économiques de Beyrouth de Mashoren, the Riyak station was once a major hub on the Beirut-Damascus line and a significant part of the Hijaz line for pilgrims. Architecture. The station is known for its grand facade, intricate architectural details, and classic railway design. Current state. Today, the station is a preserved but unkempt historical site. It stands as a reminder of Lebanon's railway heritage and is a destination for history buffs and photographers. Significance. It was also a major technical and economic hub, featuring a large complex of 48 buildings for maintenance, repair, and construction of railway components and rolling stock. Finding the station. The station is located in the town of Riyak in the Bekaa Governorate, close to the city of Zal and the Baalbek region. Current status. While historically important, the station ceased operations in 1976 during the Lebanese Civil War. Lebanon's railway history began with French colonial projects under the Ottoman Empire in the 1890s, connecting Beirut to Damascus and other key cities like Tripoli, reaching a peak of 408 kilometers of tracks that linked the country to major regional trade routes. The network, vital for the economy, was severely damaged and ultimately abandoned during and after the Lebanese Civil War.
And there's one behind you also.
Although sporadic freight services ran in the 1990s and various studies have proposed revival, the railway network remains largely defunct and in need of significant infrastructure and funding for its restoration. Early development and golden age. French projects. Under French colonial concessions, the first railway line in the Levant was built, connecting Beirut to Damascus via the strategic Riyak station. The first steam train departed on this line in 1895. Regional connectivity.
Oh, look, it has babies, that's why. هون كلب عنده babies.
The network expanded, linking Beirut to Tripoli, and even extending to Haifa in the 1940s, making Lebanon an economic and trade hub in the region.
It's fine.
Technical marvels. The Beirut-Damascus line featured challenging engineering, with tracks specifically designed to scale the Lebanon mountains, including special locomotives equipped with snowplows for harsh winters. Decline and abandonment. The Lebanese Civil War caused extensive damage to the railway infrastructure.
في هون big train also. Big train. اوف في هون بعد بعدين نسيت في هون بعد ترين Yeah, the train.
Yeah, that's the train I was talking about. It's like they're gonna paint.
Paint?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a nice place to be.
I told them if you dog, why they're still going to
Look, they're doing a distance. They can show the road, so they're not gonna exit.
see the plane. You want to picture the plane, Salim?
Yeah, بس من قدام.
Okay.